Hello and welcome to Recommendally. Today I'll show you a simple method for selecting dirt from dry crayfish. This technique is quick and efficient and ensures your crayfish are clean and ready for cooking. I also throw in a tip or two for storage and preservation. Let's get started. For this process, you'll need a wide plate or tray and of course the crayfish themselves. So first, place the crayfish on something with a flat surface like a wide plate or tray. Then, using your fingers, gradually separate the crayfish to one side of the plate while selecting the dirt to the other side. Inspect each crayfish closely, paying attention to areas where dirt may be trapped, such as under the tail or between the legs. Use your fingers to remove any visible dirt gently so you can avoid, breaking the crayfish too much. So here are a few tips to keep in mind as you select dirt out of crayfish. Take your time and inspect each crayfish carefully. Use gentle pressure to avoid damaging the crayfish, which I mentioned earlier. Discard any crayfish that are excessively dirty or damaged. To have ready-to-use crayfish, it is advisable to select the batch you have and store in an airtight container. Once in a while, you can also put them out in a tray to dry under the sun. This will help preserve the crayfish and keep some bad insects out. Remember to wash your hands before and after handling the crayfish and avoid cross-contamination with other foods. And there you have it. With this method, you can quickly and effectively select dirt out of crayfish. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to Recommendally. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions or questions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking.